Christians of Kotido Catholic Diocese have bid farewell to Reverend Father Dominic Eibu. This is after Reverend Father Monsignor Dominic Eibu was appointed as the third Bishop of Kotido Catholic Diocese by the Pope in October 15, 2022. Kotido Diocese is part of Karamoja and it comprises of 4 districts that include Kotido, Abim, Karenga and Abong. The Bishop-elect Reverend Father Dominic Eibu replaces Right Reverend Gisp Philippi, who served as the Bishop of Kotido Diocese since 2009 and resigned upon reaching the canonical age limit. He will be consecrated and installed as the third Bishop of Kotido Catholic Diocese by the Archbishop of Toro Archdiocese, Most Reverend Emmanuel Obo. He will be consecrated and installed as the third Bishop of Kotido Catholic Diocese by the Archbishop of Toro Archdiocese, the Most Reverend Emmanuel Obo.
We need peace in that place, but I'm not going to bring peace myself. I'm going to work there with the people. People can bring peace together, that's fine. Many people from Karamoja believe that we need peace with the neighbors. Among them, Teso. So as I go there, I will join them to work together with that team.
The bishop promised to work jointly with the people of Karamoja to preach peace and unity between Teso and Karamoja.
My message to people of Karamoja is that let us have faith, let us work together and build a better Karamoja. I feel a bit with anxiety, but also with the courage of faith that I'm going to serve the church, the people of God, also in that place of the world, particularly in Uganda and in Karamoja as a whole, because Kotido and Moroto and other districts of Karamoja are twins, they are linked with each other, and that's why I just talk of Karamoja as a whole.
Reverend Father Robert Echogu, the Vicar General of Soroti Catholic Diocese, while leading prayers to bid farewell to Bishop-elect of Kotido, urged the Christians to pray for Reverend Father Dominic Eibu as he is going to work in hard-to-reach areas of cattle rustling in Karamoja.
We are aware that this part of the country is not an easy part because of cattle rustling, but we trust in the Lord. The Lord will choose him, especially for him. So I invite all of you to pray for him and pray for the entire pastoral team of Kotido and pray for the entire people of Kotido. Together we may listen to the voice of God, the voice of peace, and work together to develop the
Bishop Eibu is a born of Amotot Odingoy village, Kamidakan Parish, Apapai Sub-County in Kalaki District, Soroti Diocese.